secret YouTube, Constatu. So the weather has finally changed in this country, as you will have seen. We now have torrential rain, a little bit of thunder, and dangerous weather conditions all around. There were parts of Dublin flooded last week, and parts of Cleary's department store and the Mater Hospital, the roof caved in. So that's how bad it's been. But it has been quite nice to see lightning and rain again. But still, I'm enjoying the turn in the weather. It makes a change. So yes, it's been nice. In other news, I have got myself a certain social networking dating app that most people will be familiar with. Begins with a G, ends in an or, and a couple of other consonants and a vowel in the middle. So yeah, it's been quite interesting. It seemed like the natural progression, you know. It's kind of boy gets phone, boy gets app enabled phone, boy puts app, boy meets more boys. It's been quite interesting. I know it has been nice. I've gotten talking to a good few people. Don't really know what will happen with it, but we'll see what happens. So that's the crack. I just thought I'd make this little update before any of you go making comments about this certain app and my usage of it. You know, you would use it too if you had one for yourself, which everybody does. So there you go. Gurmila Mahagat YouTube.